Yo, it's MOPOWERZ in the building, and we're going to make this a crash course on why banks collapse. Silicon Valley Bank is a very great example of when banks have more liability than they have assets. Whether that is due to bad bank loans or major companies who have millions of dollars in the bank pull out. That's what makes the banks collapse. It's that simple. If you have $1 million in the bank, take it out. Even though it's FDI insured, you only get $250,000 for the single account. If you have a joint account, you get double the amount, but you still don't get the full amount of your money. That's according to FDIC rules and regulations of banks. I've been telling people to take your money out the banks for years. Put it in a can, put it under your floor, put it somewhere safe where you can get to it. Hell, most of the people who got money in the banks can't even get a loan from the banks. I'm just saying. You think about that. Silicon Valley Bank is a sign or a red flag that America is falling. Another bank had collapsed. However, that makes 2 banks in a week. In less than a week, 2 banks collapsed. And mind you that Roku have interest and capital in Silicon Valley Bank. Now, is the federal government going to give them all of their money back? No. Not according to the rules and regulations. Besides, look at how much the bank gives you interest on your money. If it wasn't for the little people, this country that we know as the United States wouldn't even be running. It's the blue collar workers that make it happen. The white collar workers are the scammers. Think about it. Either way, a new world order is coming. And with the collapse of banks is a red flag for you to take your money out of the bank. Now, Silicon Valley did have enough decency to tell people to take their money out the bank because it was going to collapse. And for those people who didn't get their money out, well, your bank, your money goes to another bank that the government sends it to, seeing that that bank is closed. If not, they send you a personal check. That's how it goes. When banks goes, economy goes. Just think about 1929 when the Great Depression hit. People had money in the bank and they couldn't get their money back. It was just gone. Even if you had gold in your pocket and it was found by the police after they searched you, you would go to jail. I'm serious. 100. Do your research. But that's the reason why you should be afraid and you should be cautious of how and what you do with your cash, because America as we know it is falling. Crash course on banking. Peace out.